And this building is more than just infrastructure. It's more than steel and concrete. It's the realization of a hope. And it's an understanding that for each and every one of you, when you walk into this building, we want you to see the expectations that we have of you. We want you to understand that the reason that there are world-class entities and world-class facilities is because we know that you are going to deliver world-class results. Salisbury, congratulations. This doesn't happen by accident. It happens because you made it happen.